Jodren focuses on injection molding, the whole factory automation solution. Central feeding system. Precisely convey each raw material. Weighing and metering. Intelligent drying, ensuring every link is precisely controlled. Products run stably on the client side. Quality wins trust. Large equipment is debugged and tested one by one, ensuring consistent quality. 6 major core systems are provided in one stop. It serves industries such as home appliances, medicine, food, and home. Customers are all over the world. It has 2 bases in Flushing Shuangshui and Suzhou Wujian. Jodren Machinery is your reliable partner for injection molding automation.